Hey there, fellow adventurers of the mind. If you've ever found yourself juggling 27 thoughts, a half-eaten sandwich, and zero focus, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down a practical framework to help you transform your focus, resolve feelings, and find a sense of presence. Here's what we'll cover. Think, wait, feel, focus, engage, and finally presence, the culmination of this framework. Each section builds on the last, guiding you through understanding and managing your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Presence is the culmination of these steps, bringing them together into a state of calm, focused being where you can fully experience life. Let's dive in. Think. This step is all about guiding your conscious, logical mind towards clarity and presence. When your thoughts feel scattered, this process helps bring order and focus. Awareness. Begin by noticing what's happening around you and within you. What's going on in your environment, your body, and your mind? What are people doing or feeling? Awareness is the who, what, when, and where of any situation. It's like gathering puzzle pieces so that you can see the bigger picture. Connection. Next, connect the dots by asking how. How are you thinking and speaking? How are your actions affecting others, and how are theirs affecting you? Are you being positive or negative? Understanding. Finally, focus on the why. Understanding helps when you connect multiple ideas or experiences and find meaning. Why is something happening? Why do you and others feel or act a certain way? By seeking understanding, you can empathize with yourself and others, recognize shared experiences, and clarify your next steps. Remember, everyone, including you, is doing their best, so kindness and patience is key. ADHD brings racing thoughts and mental overload, making it hard to think clearly. By practicing awareness, connecting your thoughts, and building understanding, you can slow down, organize your mind, and think more effectively. This process helps you approach situations with confidence and clarity. Now that you've organized your thoughts, the next step is learning how to pause. Waiting gives your mind time to process and respond with purpose instead of reacting impulsively. Wait. Patience is tough for ADHD minds, but it's a skill you can learn and grow. Waiting gives you the time and space to make better choices, respond thoughtfully, and act with purpose. Awareness. Start by noticing when you feel rushed or impulsive. What's triggering the urgency? Instead of fighting it, take a moment to pause and observe. Say to yourself, it's okay to wait. I don't have to act right now. Recognizing the need to pause is the first step towards mastering patience. Pause. Begin with small, manageable pauses. Try waiting for 3 seconds before reacting, or take a deep breath to reset. Over time, you can gradually extend these pauses as your patience grows. Change environment, optional. Sometimes stepping into a new space can help. A quick walk to another room or change of scenery can give your brain the reset it needs to slow down and refocus. Celebrate progress. Every time you successfully wait instead of rushing, give yourself credit. Patience is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Acknowledge your small wins and let them motivate you to keep practicing. Impulsivity is one of the biggest challenges for ADHD minds. By practicing small pauses and building awareness, you are training your brain to slow down and respond thoughtfully. Over time, these moments of patience help you feel more in control and less overwhelmed. With the ability to pause and take control of your impulsive moments, you're ready to look inward and explore your emotions. Let's learn how to feel and process them to create lasting peace. Feel. Emotions play a huge role in how we act, especially for ADHD minds. Every thought and belief is linked to an emotion. Some feel good and some don't. The good news is that negative feelings don't define you. They come from past experiences, and with practice, you can process and replace them with better ones. The key is to allow yourself to feel them. Emotional awareness. Pay attention to how you're feeling. Notice where your emotions show up in your body. Tight shoulders, a racing heart, a sinking feeling in your stomach. Recognizing these signals is the first step to understanding them. Emotional validation. Remind yourself that it's okay to feel this way. Every emotion, even tough ones, has a purpose. Validating your feelings helps you move forward without guilt. Forgive. Practice self-compassion. Forgive yourself for past mistakes and extend that forgiveness to others. Everyone is doing the best they can with the tools they have. Reframe. Shift how you see the situation. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, ask, what can I learn from this? Reframing helps you turn challenges into opportunities for growth. Discuss. Optional. Sometimes sharing your feelings with others can help you understand them better. Talking it out can help uncover hidden emotions or patterns you didn't realize were there. Accept. Breathe deeply and make peace with your current situation. Acceptance doesn't mean you're okay with everything. It means letting go of the struggles against things you can't change. Resilience. Celebrate small wins every time you work through tough emotions. Each effort builds your emotional strength and gives you more confidence to handle future challenges. ADHD minds often feel emotions intensely and urgently, leading to impulsive reactions. By practicing emotional awareness, self-compassion, and resilience, you can create space to pause, process, and respond thoughtfully. Over time, these skills make it easier to handle life's ups and downs. Now that you've worked through your feelings and found a sense of peace, you're ready to take the next step, focusing on what truly matters. Let's explore how to build clarity and stay on track. Focus. Focus isn't about forcing yourself to do everything. It's about doing the right things with intention. The body reflects what's on the mind, and the mind follows the words spoken. So use positivity to choose the right decisions. By creating clarity and setting the stage with the right environment, focus works hand in hand with engagement to bring you into flow, the state where effort feels natural and rewarding. Clarity. Ask yourself, what's the most important thing I can do right now? Define your goal in one clear sentence. ADHD thrives when priorities are specific, so keep it simple and actionable. Attention. Create an environment that supports your focus. Turn off notifications, tidy your workspace, and remove distractions. Use a timer for work intervals, like 20 minutes of focus followed by a short break. Flow. Once distractions are minimized, let yourself get absorbed in the task. Flow happens when your mind and body are fully immersed in what you're doing, making the work feel natural and satisfying. ADHD often makes focus challenging because of racing thoughts and environmental distractions. By gaining clarity, creating a distraction-free space, and practicing flow, you can build a foundation for success. These steps help reduce overwhelm and make it easier to stay on track. Now that you've learned how to sharpen your focus, it's time to make your work enjoyable. Let's explore how to fully engage with what you're doing and find joy in the process. Engage. Engagement is about turning effort into joy. It's the art of getting fully involved in what you do. By tapping into your natural curiosity and passion, you can make even challenging tasks more enjoyable. Curiosity. Start by asking yourself, what's interesting about this task? Find a hook that grabs your attention, whether it's learning something new, solving a problem, or imagining the benefits of completing it. Curiosity is your way in. It helps shift your mindset from resistance to interest. Commitment. Set a small, achievable goal to get started. It could be as simple as working for 10 minutes or finishing one part of a larger task. Commit to giving it your full attention for that time. Small steps build momentum, and momentum makes engagement easier. Flow. As stated in the focus section, the goal of both focus and engagement is to enter flow, the state where you're fully immersed in your activity. Flow happens when focus meets enjoyment, allowing you to lose yourself in the task and experience a natural rhythm. Resilience. Not every attempt at engagement will be perfect, and that's okay. If you get distracted or frustrated, take a break, then try again. Each time you refocus, you're building resilience, the ability to keep going even when things are challenging. Celebrate small wins along the way and remember that progress, not perfection, is the goal. Engagement leverages ADHD's natural curiosity and passion, turning potential distractions into powerful motivators. When you're fully engaged, you've almost reached the final goal, presence. Let's tie everything together and discover how to live fully in the moment. Presence. Presence is the culmination of everything you've learned so far. It's about bringing together thinking, waiting, feeling, focusing, and engaging into one harmonious state. Presence allows you to fully experience the moment, calm your mind, and act with clarity and intention. Awareness. Presence starts with awareness. Notice what's happening right now, your thoughts, emotions, and surroundings. What do you see, hear, and feel? Awareness grounds you in the moment and prepares your mind to respond calmly. Acceptance. Once you're aware, practice acceptance. Let go of the urge to judge or control everything. Accept things as they are, even if they're not perfect. Acceptance creates peace, freeing you to focus on what truly matters. Focus. Presence thrives when you give your full attention to one thing, whether it's listening to someone speak, working on a task, or simply breathing. Choose to be fully present. Intentional focus connects you deeply to the moment. Engage. Immerse yourself completely. Presence isn't passive, it's active and engaged. Bring your curiosity and best effort to the moment and let yourself find joy in the experience. Reflection. After practicing presence, take a moment to reflect. How did it feel? What changed? Reflection strengthens your ability to stay present in the future and helps you see the value in slowing down and showing up fully. For ADHD minds, presence is the ultimate tool. It combines everything: awareness, emotional regulation, patience, focus, engagement, into a single, empowering skill. By practicing presence, you integrate these abilities into your daily life, making it easier to stay calm, intentional, and connect to the moment. And there you have it, the ADHD fix in a simple, actionable network. If this video helped, please share it. Together, we can make focus and presence easier for everyone. Thank you for watching.